There in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about creating offline address book. So by name only you're able to understand about the offline address book means it also a collection of users, contacts, groups, but it can be downloaded to client computers uh, be a two type. You will learn about the two type. So it can be downloaded and it can be used as offline. So whenever our client may don't have access of internet, then that particular user can access the uh, users the contact list, address book list offline. So by default there is only one offline address book is available, and you can create a new one from action pane as well. So this is new address book. Now you can see the introduction. This wizard helps you to create a new offline address book where we enable mail clients to view address list when they are not connected to an exchange server. So you can download this basically via a Microsoft Outlook. For example, I named this particular offline address book as OAB, and the mail server I'm going to select is X because currently I'm using this only one server. But if you have more than that, you can go with any of the address list. It also asking to include the default global address list because we don't have a currently address list, but global address list you can select it. It will be selected by default. Now the address list you want to add in this OAB, for example, AL1. I want that AL1 address list to be downloaded by a client. Since global address will be automatically downloaded, so if you already have a global address list, then it will be downloaded as well, and there is no choice. But we gave a choice of address list. The distribution point, as I said, that OAB can be distributed by two-way. Either it's web-based distribution or it's a public folder distribution. Now web-based distribution will be based on the uh, websites, and you can find that the web-based distribution point uses virtual directories, and public folder distribution point uses Exchange public folders. So if you are choosing web-based distribution, then you will be used the virtual directories, and if you are using Exchange uh, public folders, then it will be a public folders of Exchange servers. Web-based distribution is available only for clients running Outlook 2007 or later. If you are using 2003 or Exchange Outlook Express, then it not work. So I'm choosing the OAB, which is the by default server I'm going to add. And if you are using a public folder distribution, then you can select the public folder distribution as well. But that's not safe enough. Will we just go with the web-based distribution, which is quite safe because of virtual directories. It will be helpful for us not to expose everything of Exchange server. Go with the next, and it is a summary what you just configure. You can check those, and if you found appropriate, you go with a new AAB. So I'm going to create. Okay, it's completed, and this is what. And since this you chose the virtual directories base, it means that this OAB would be available for Outlook 2007 and later, means Office 2007 and 2010. So you can use those Outlooks to get through this address books, and these are available for download via public uh, via public network. So this is what you can go with, and by accessing these databases, the client database, the contact database, via public networks. So this is what the OAB is all about, offline address book, and good feature by Microsoft. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.